Welcome to Coffee Break CRM. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Kristen, and in this particular episode, we will be discussing the concept of marketing quick campaigns. So there's two different ways to campaign to your potential or existing customers from within CRM. You have the marketing campaign option, which gives you the ability to capture responses. It gives you the ability to create associated campaign activities, distribute those activities to various CRM users in the system. It also gives you the ability to calculate a discrepancy between budgeted expenses as well as actual expenses. You can report on that easily from within the system. So there's a variety of different pieces of information and statistics that you can capture with regards to marketing campaigns. Now, the second option is much simpler. It's kind of seen as a bulk activity creation functionality, and that's called the quick campaigns. So I can do quick campaigns against accounts or contacts, stuff like that, leads. And what I have the ability to do is basically create multiple activities, one for each record that I'm running this campaign against, or this quick campaign against. So let's say I want to send a marketing reconnect email to all of my active contacts. I'm inside of the My Active Contacts view. I have at least one selected. If I come up to the UI ribbon at the top and click Add, this will go ahead and open up with both the associated activity and attachments options as well as the marketing options. So from here you can see the quick campaign option. Once I drop that down, it'll go ahead and let me choose either the selected records, if I have a certain subset that I'm choosing, all records on the current page if I only want to do one page at a time, or all records on all pages if I have more than one particular page per contact area. So I'm going to go ahead and do all records on the current page because I only have one. And basically what this is going to do is open up with a quick campaign wizard. So this will walk you through the process of creating the quick campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. First thing I need to do is specify a name. So I'm going to say customer, oops, I have the caps lock on, customer reconnect. Let's see, this is December 2011. The next thing I'm going to need to choose is going to be what kind of activity I want. I have 5 options. I can choose to create phone calls, appointments, letters, faxes, or emails. The most common tend to be phone calls or emails. So in this case, because I have a customer reconnect email template I want to use, I'm going to go ahead and select email. The next option I need to select is going to be assignment. So who inside of CRM, in regards to users or teams, is going to be owning this particular activity. I have a few different choices. I can assign them all to me. I can own all the emails. I can send them to the owners of the records that are in the quick campaign. However, I own all of them, so me and the owners of the records is pretty much going to be the same thing. But if other people own them, there would be a difference. Or I can choose to assign them to a specific user outside of myself or a specific team outside of myself. I then have the ability to choose to add the created activities to a queue. Let's say I have a marketing queue. I want to go ahead and add all these activities to the queue so other people can easily find everything associated to this particular quick campaign. I'll go ahead and own them for now. This little option lets you choose to mark the email messages as sent and close any corresponding email activities. In this case, all of my contacts are test records, so I can choose to go ahead and close them if I want to and go ahead and send them. If you want to make changes to them after you create them, go ahead and be sure to uncheck this box. Thank you for tuning in to Coffee Break CRM. I hope you enjoyed the material. Be sure to check out our other videos that are available online.